Now we have to say about BT brinjal. It is one of the biotechnologically modified plant. It is a transgenic brinjal plant created by inserting a crystal protein gene CRY1AC from Bacillus thuringiensis. So the main bacterium is Bacillus thuringiensis, from which Bt toxin produced, and that is mainly used for controlling the pest, harmful insect which attack the plants, which will carry out damage to the plants. And this is the main bacterium, Bacillus thuringiensis, through which we can carry out biological control of pest. CRY1AC gene is inserted into the genome of various brinjal cultivar by genetic engineering method through biotechnology. By using biotechnology, it is possible to insert the gene which gives resistance to the insect. In the Bt brinjal, CRY1 gene was inserted into the genome of various brinjal cultivars during the experiments conducted. By agrobacterium-mediated genetic transformation method, CRY1AC gene is inserted into the genome of brinjal plant with other genetic elements such as promoters, terminators, and an antibiotic-resistant marker gene into the brinjal plant. So, the gene CRY1AC selected from Bacillus thuringiensis through Agrobacterium tumefaciens, this gene, through the vector of Agrobacterium tumefaciens, this gene transmitted to brinjal plant. So, the mediated organism here is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Bt brinjal has been developed to give a resistance against two insect groups. One is Lepidopteran insect. The insect which eat the brinjal fruit considered as a Lepidopteran insect. Next one, Lucinos arbinalis. Lucinos arbinalis is a type of insect which will bore the stem of the brinjal plant. So considered as a stem borer. So that is the method by inserting CRY1AC gene into the brinjal plant. The brinjal plant is converted into Bt brinjal. In the Bt brinjal, insect resistant quality will be developed by using biotechnological method and mediated with Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Next we will pass on to Dara mustard hybrid DMH. It is also transgenic mustard plant. DMH is a transgenic mustard plant developed by a team of scientists Center for Genetic Manipulation of Crop Plants at Delhi University under government-sponsored project. It is a Dara mustard hybrid is a genetically modified variety of herbicide tolerant mustard plant, HT. Herbicide tolerant. HT means herbicide tolerant. It was created by using Barnes Bostar technology. There is a different technology, it's a special technology used in order to develop herbicide tolerant mustard plant. That technology is Barnes Bostar technology. In this technology, two genes are used. Number one, Barnes. Barnes is a gene which contains 110 amino acid and it is secreted ribonuclease from Bacillus amelolecufaciens. And the second one is Bostar. It contains 89 amino acid. It is a cytoplasmic Barnes inhibitor. So for genetic manipulation, these genes are added and these genes are selected from the soil bacterium that makes mustard a self-pollinating plant. DMH11 contains, that is Dara mustard hybrid 11 contains three genes. Number one, Bar gene. Number two, Barnes. Number three, Bostar. And these genes are introduced from the soil bacterium. The Bar gene had made plant resistant to herbicide named Bostar. So that is about the Dara mustard hybrid DMH. Next we will pass on to the virus resistance. Several plants are infected by many viruses. Viruses infect many plants and cause great damage to crop plants. So yield is greatly reduced. Now it is possible to develop viral resistant plants by transferring viral gene through biotechnological method to resist viral disease in plants. The introduced viral gene will deactivate the viral DNA present in the plant which causes disease. So viral disease will not appear. If you introduce any viral gene, that will deactivate the viral DNA which is mainly responsible for the disease of that particular plant. So viral disease will not appear. That is the method. This is also through biotechnological method. The viral gene should be identified, that should be selected, isolated by biotechnological method, that is by genetic engineering method, that should be transferred into the plants in which viral disease appear. So that is the viral resistance about. Next we will pass on to flower saver tomato. Flower saver tomato is genetically modified tomato plant. This flower saver tomato plant was first commercial grown genetically engineered food plant. It was produced by the Californian company called Gene. It is also known as CGN 89564-2. So that's the other name given. in the net, so you can refer for that for further purpose. Agrobacterium mediated genetic engineering technique was followed in order to produce flower saver tomato. That means flower saver means ripening, means that is retaining the natural color in the tomato. The natural color and flavor of the tomato can be retained. That is the meaning for flavor saver tomato. That means, again I tell you, that means in this tomato, the natural color and flavor of the tomato can be retained. Such a type of tomato plant, that is flavor saver tomato. Through genetic engineering, the ripening process of the tomato is slowed down, and thus prevent it from softening and to increase the shelf life. Shelf life means the life during storage. So that is shelf life. The tomato was made more resistant to rotting by introducing an antisense gene which interferes with the production of the enzyme polygalactronase. So in tomato, the enzyme polygalactronase breaks down the cell wall constituents, thus leading to softening of the fruit during ripening. By inhibiting the polygalactronase enzyme by antisense genes in the tomato can remain dormant fresh until mature and be transported in a firm solid state. Antisense is an RNA molecule capable of controlling and expression of a particular enzyme which are involved in the ripening process of tomato. So for the ripening process of tomato, the polygalactronase enzyme is mainly responsible. Within a short period during storage, the tomato will be spoiled very easily. So in order to stop that process, antisense genes should be inserted in the tomato plant so that the tomato plant will be converted into flower saver tomato. In the flower saver tomato, the antisense genes will inactivate the polygalactronase enzyme so that the fruit will not be spoiled during ripening. That is a process. So far we have seen about BT brinjal, Dara mustard hybrid, DMH, virus resistance, and flower saver tomato. That is.